No. Ow. Boom. With the S23 Ultra looming around the corner, we thought we'd take a look at two different film screen protector installations. One done the right way and one done the wrong way. So obviously the ideal way of installing a film screen protector is first grabbing the plastic jig, popping it in the USB-C port. Then you want to grab one of the two cleaning wipes from the pack, give the screen a wipe down, making sure all dust and debris is removed. Then the next thing, grab that dust sticker, dab it all over the screen until you're happy no dust remains. Grab the film screen protector, place it onto the plastic jig, then you can take off the top tab, line up the camera hole with the camera, and when you're happy, stick it down with the application card. Pull back the screen protector off the plastic jig, then push the application card down the phone, working your way slowly, making sure you remove that protective backing. With this method, you should have zero bubbles left on the phone. If there are any, please just work them towards the edge with the application card or the microfiber cloth. Now, that's how you should install a film screen protector. However, I see many people install them like this. Now, following the same steps, they grab the cleaning wipe, wipe the screen clean, then touch it with their fingers, then grab the microfiber cloth, then try and work those fingerprints off, not really realise that there's a load of dust on the screen, and just dab randomly on the screen trying to remove the dust without actually looking to make sure it's all removed. Then they start fumbling around with the film screen protector above the screen, hence getting more dust onto the screen. Then they sort of do a slapdash approach and try and install it quickly rather than carefully. This leaves all bubbles and dust on the screen, as well as probably fingerprints underneath the film screen protector. Take a look at this. Now, the reason I've grown to love film screen protectors is that regardless of whether you're hitting it with a hammer or just scratching it with coins in your pocket, they don't actually damage like a glass screen protector does. So they don't shatter and scratches don't really appear. So there you go. That's how you properly install a film screen protector. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video.